Okay, confession time. I've never really been a fan of lemon essential oil. I know, it's bright, it's cheerful, but to me, it smells like cleaning spray. Today, I challenged myself to change that. And guess what? I actually created a blend that makes me finally appreciate lemon. Let me show you how it worked. Hi friends, welcome back. Today, I gave myself a little aromatherapy challenge to work with a lemon essential oil. Here's my bottle. Yes, it's tiny because, again, I haven't fully appreciated this. So guess what? It's pine sol. It reminds me of pine sol. I try to get past it, not always. So if you've taken one of my workshops, you've even heard me mention this. I had a green cleaning workshop where we had it, and again, I used it, but still, it's a challenge. So my goal, simple. Create a blend that would help me generally enjoy lemon. And here's how the experiment went. My first instinct was to pair lemon with the tree oil. Something to kind of ground it a bit. I reached for black spruce. Kind of took Australian white cypress. So when I start off and I'm not sure the direction I want to go, I pull the caps off and I kind of put them together. Okay, just kind of put them together. This is the black spruce, this is the lemon. My first instinct, it was good, but pine sol. What was I thinking? Pine, sol, lemon. Anyway, so right back to that cleaning. Not gonna happen. So, all right. So not the tree. Maybe floral. Maybe lavender. That might work, right? Lavender and lemon. I've heard that before. Not bad. Not quite right. So I thought maybe an herb or something grounding. So I went for juniper berry. Not quite right. I did Palo Santo. Thought maybe a little earthiness, and then I grabbed for vetiver. Vetiver is earthy. I don't know what else to say. It's earthy, 100%. So I take my lemon, I take my just kind of a one-on-one. There is something there. Okay, all right, let's play. So one lemon. Careful, citrus. I actually got two there. Citrus is a top note. It comes out kind of fast. So vetiver, on the other hand, is slow. Roots. Think of roots. Why it's grounding? How do I know it's grounding? Because you have to have the patience for the drop to come out. So we're patiently going to wait. Yeah, I could pop the top and get a pipette, but this is how I blend. I want you to see the intuitiveness, but I am growing. Actually, yeah, there's oil in there. I gotta make sure. Sometimes you gotta kind of shake it a little bit. So we're gonna cheat a little bit. Put a little oil on it. Yeah, I got a little fuzz. Okay, we'll clean that up later. So here we go, 1-to-1. The vetiver definitely toned down the overpowering lemon but in a good way. Didn't make me think of cleaning products. Felt more natural, a little softer. Maybe something I can even wear. So I could appreciate this, but out of the corner of my eye, I saw Yarrow, and Yarrow was like, pick me, pick me, pick me. And I'm like, I don't know. I mean, I did think floral originally way back when. Why not? I didn't even smell the cap. I went straight for putting the drop down. And that beautiful blue of Yarrow. Ooh, got two. You know how it goes sometimes. It definitely needs another lemon. But again, this is nice. This is nice. This is lemon. We're gonna try to get I could appreciate this. So overall, you can see the fuzzies hanging off. My final blend ended up being, drum roll please, 3 drops of lemon, 2 drops of vetiver, and 1 drop of yarrow. Yes, I can appreciate lemon. I felt like it brightened my entire day with not overwhelming my senses and just enough freshness, brightness, softness that yarrow kind of helped balance out. That earthiness. So lemon still isn't my favorite oil. Might not even make the top 10. But this was a good challenge, and I'm glad I went through it. Maybe I can help you change your mind on lemon or maybe another oil. Happy blending, and I'll see you next time. P.S. Little did I know that when I made this week's blend, I would experience yarrow distillation later that week at my friend Jackie's house. Go look for that video. That blend is really good too. Bye now.